Welcome to our tutorial on how to unarchive a group on WhatsApp web using your PC. Follow these steps to easily bring back archived group chats and continue your conversations seamlessly. To get started, open web.whatsapp.com on your PC. Access WhatsApp web through your web browser to efficiently manage your group chats and interactions. Navigate to the top of the chat section and click on Archive Chats. This feature allows you to access all the group chats that you have previously archived for easy retrieval. Locate the specific group you want to unarchive within the Archived Chats section. Scroll through the list of archived groups to find the one you wish to unarchive and bring back to your main chat list. Hover over the group you want to unarchive and click on the ellipsis symbol, V. This action will display a drop-down menu with various options for managing the archived group, including the option to unarchive it. Click on Unarchive Chat from the drop-down menu. By selecting this option, the group chat will be unarchived and restored to your main chat list, allowing you to resume group conversations and interactions. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily unarchive a group on WhatsApp web using your PC, ensuring that you can access and engage with your archived groups effortlessly. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Enjoy the convenience of unarchiving groups on WhatsApp web to stay connected and active in all your group chats. Happy chatting!